Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to delete face lock in our Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to delete your face lock in your Motorola phone, so guys you can delete it. And guys, now let's see how to delete face lock in our Motorola phone device. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you if you're in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to delete your face lock. Then guys scroll. Guys click on your security setting to delete your face lock. Then guys you can see face unlock. So guys tap here. Guys draw your pattern. And guys you can see delete face data. So guys tap here and guys okay. So guys face lock will delete guys. You can see setup face lock. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete face lock in Motorola phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.